Brighten your baby's life with this custom stenciled nursery throw pillow project from Oak Lane Studio. First, take some repositionable spray adhesive and spray the underside of your first stencil. Next, cut a piece of cardboard slightly smaller than the sham and place it underneath. This will help keep the area inside the seams nice and flat. Position your stencil and slip some paper or plastic inside the sham to prevent the paint from bleeding through the other side. Thoroughly shake your bottle of Americana Acrylic Paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Next, add an equal amount of fabric medium and, using a stencil brush, mix until uniformly consistent. For large design elements, use a high-density roller to apply the paint medium mixture. Apply the color using numerous light coats. Once finished with the first color, lift away the stencil and allow the paint to dry. Spray the underside of the next stencil and position it over the sham. Mix the next color, in this case slate gray, with the fabric medium. Use a stencil brush for smaller elements, making sure to first remove excess paint by swirling the bristles on a stack of paper towels. Apply the color using the same swirling motion. Switch to the last color and finish the remaining design elements on this side of the sham. Using the brush, go back and touch up any spots that are needed. To speed up the drying process, use a hairdryer. For a double-sided pillow, turn the sham over and place the next stencil. Apply each paint mixture as you did earlier. Lastly, place a piece of cloth over each side and heat using an iron without steam to lock in the color. Place the insert inside the sham and your pillow is ready to add joy to any nursery. Visit oaklanestudio.com or call 1-800-334-1776 to order your stencil with custom text or graphic.